Alright, so nobody makes a video about, there's not a video out there yet about this headlights on this quad. It's a 2001 400EX, and it's the bug eye version. Let me aim the camera the right way. I don't know how many years they made. I think they made them from like 2000 to 04 or something like that. I'm not sure, but there's not anything out there on how to do it. So first thing you're gonna, here's how you get this housing out and get to these headlights. There's gonna be 2 screws on this bracket right here. You undo that, then you pop these clips out with the red plastics, and then you pop these body clips like these ones. Pop those out, and then boom, it's free. So once you do that, you pull this dust cover back, this boot, grommet, whatever you want to call it. Peel that back. There's gonna be 2 screws. They go right there, holding this guy in, and then boom, your headlight's out. Then to get this guy out, try to get the angle of the dangle on the camera so you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. That should work. There it goes. You're going to take this, push the headlight into this little metal piece, the screw-in piece. Or wait, no, not that. The actual, oh boy, this thing's a pain in the ass. Okay, no, wait, I'm sorry. Sorry. Push the screw-in piece into this where the wires go. Don't mess with the wires also. Ah, she's kind of being a bitch. Almost there. Ah, there you go. Then you push your bulb out this way, and you're home free.